All the key specs for the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have just leaked in convenient table form thanks to veteran tipster Evan Blass. While several new and upgraded Pixel 8 features have already leaked, this table shows us how the new Pixels compare to each other as well as a couple of Google's older models. Starting with the display, we see the Pixel 8 series is bringing two major changes. One is the introduction of Actua and Super Actua displays, which appear to be Google's names for its new super bright screen technology. The other noticeable change is the basic Pixel 8 getting a 120Hz maximum refresh rate, up from the 90Hz that previous non-Pro Pixels have maxed out at. It also seems that the size of the new basic Pixel is a little smaller than before, as we've heard in previous rumors. The Pixel 8 is now a 6.2-inch device instead of 6.3 inches like the Pixel 7. On the photography front, the table explains that both Pixel 8 series phones are being given a new 10.5MP selfie camera. Other than a new autofocus for the Pixel 8's ultra-wide camera and an apparently upgraded autofocus on the Pixel 8 Pro's ultra-wide camera, no other changes to camera type, resolution, or zoom level, in the case of the Pro model's telephoto camera, appear to be happening compared to last year's Pixels. Skipping down the list for a moment, we see that the Pixel 8 Pro is also equipped with a thermometer, which is believed to be mounted on the back with its cameras. This has been rumored before, and if it indeed behaves as a normal thermometer, capable of reading the temperature of whatever you pointed at, Google will have one of the smartphone world's most unique selling points on its hands. Returning to the camera features, the table explains that as well as photo unblur and magic eraser from previous Pixels, the new Pixels get best take mode, which between the name and the small print sounds like a system for optimizing a photo or video, likely from multiple frames combined together. The Pixel 8 Pro is also down to get Pro controls, which we assume will offer an enhanced camera experience for more knowledgeable users. No mention here of the alleged video unblur ability that's been tipped before now, though. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are also confirmed as having a macro focus camera mode, something that used to be exclusive to the Pixel 7 Pro. Both phones are also capable of capturing 4K video, although the frames per second isn't specified. Lastly, the table confirms that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will offer face and fingerprint unlocking, plus an IP68 dust/water resistance rating as older Pixels have done. What potential applications does the Pixel 8 Pro's thermometer have beyond measuring body temperature? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.